Welcome to Align and Embrace, where over 50 years of combined clinical experience meet a commitment to cultural humility and social change.
We're sisters by bond, not by blood. Our story began in Oakland, California, where Kara's courageous stand in school led her mom, who was a fierce social justice advocate, to adopt me out of the foster care system. That moment, it not only gave me a home, but also a sense of belonging and purpose, and it brought us both here today.
Growing up, we shared a vision to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. Inspired by our mom, we pursued careers in social work and healthcare, driven by the belief that every person deserves to feel seen, valued, and supported.
Absolutely. But when we entered the field, we noticed something incredibly important. While approaches like building rapport, strength-based practices, and trauma-informed care are culturally responsive and essential, it's about how these strategies are applied that can make all the difference.
This makes it important to acknowledge that traditional theoretical frameworks, while useful in some ways, often leave gaps. They also create blind spots that can unintentionally reinforce biases or limit effectiveness. This is especially true when these frameworks are applied without consideration of the diverse lived experiences of those we serve.
Exactly. Take rapport building, for example. We need to get to moving beyond rapport building to fostering meaningful relationships, which is fundamental to patient care. Healing takes place in the context of relationships, but how we approach it often reflects our assumptions that are shaped by just one single lens. In order for us to create genuine connection, we need the tools that honor cultural nuances, adapt to the realities of the lives for the people that we serve.
Yes, and that is why we created the Trust Accelerator webinar. This is a free 30-minute session designed to support healthcare providers on their journey toward unlocking deeper patient connections and achieving better outcomes.
Exactly. And in this session, you'll discover 4 transformational secrets that top healthcare providers use to elevate their care. We know you're busy, so we have designed this webinar to deliver practical, actionable insights that you can start applying immediately. And when you complete the session, you'll also gain exclusive access to our AI Chat for Cultures tool and prompt guide to accelerate your application of these concepts.
This isn't about questioning what you already know, it's about enhancing it. It is about taking your existing skills and amplifying their impact with tools and resources to meet the realities of today's diverse healthcare landscape.
And this webinar is not just another training, it's a transformative experience that helps you strengthen your ability to create those meaningful connections with your patients and deliver the kind of care that you can be proud of. I mean, imagine leaving this session with new insights, renewed purpose, and the confidence that you're making a lasting impact, not just on your patients' lives, but in your own professional journey.
If you have ever felt the desire to deepen your impact, this is your opportunity. We are here to support you in making a meaningful difference because better connections lead to better outcomes.
They absolutely do. So join us for the free Trust Accelerator webinar, and let's create a new standard of care together. Spots are limited, so secure yours today. Click the link below, register now. We cannot wait to connect and share what we know works.